Fisher? What place name again? Which one to go?
Yeah, no, I mean call.
Hero Circle.
So these are color.
Hero Circle super fun.
We have to understand that too.
Rich, 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 rich.
6, 7,
Rich, rich, you know, brother, watch out.
9, 10,
Rich, rich, Georgie.
13, 14, 15, 16.
Okra night, corny night, cold skinny night, everything in night. Rich, rich, you know. Rich lifestyle out. Out. Rich lifestyle out within, outside. After I eat down, you back, you call me, you're back, pizza. It's flat, not so fat, so you know, it's not only for meat, but we're happy same way. Who beg now get, who no beg now one. Reach outside, we're there. Yeah, we're going to sort of food there. So far in there. What's that? No, yeah, but you know something named Brock Farina. Hello, good night.
I'm Gordon, so she's a sister.
Hello.
Yes. Is that your kid?
Your little sister.
Oh, your sister too? Okay.
I know.
Yeah. Yeah, so we're here.
So she wants some Jamaican food.
We have curry goat. Curry goat meat? But we have jerk chicken and festival and soup.
Okay. Alright, so would I eat some chicken and festival before we eat ice cream, huh? Yeah. Bunks about over there, so few people there. So they can go and enjoy themselves while they eat. That's nice. Here, jerk chicken and festival. Chase, we're going to taste it. Is it real something? I get enough punch. Fish. I know say fish are jumping in a newspaper. The ear the feel fish are jump in the newspaper.
Oh yeah? What's your name, teacher? Miss.
You are bossy. Let's say no one the big one then. Someone too for now.
Listen. Yeah. Yes.
Over your summer, you can get your food to go with it. Callaloo, you get pickle.
Yes, what's that?
Drop this minute, please.
This is so nice. Everywhere you go, father and son. This is long time lion your house. Hey. Find that big kite here. Who made that big kite there? Who made that big kite there? Young people don't know if you make kite nowadays. Not true? Eh? No, me wonder like the younger generation. Because I don't see nobody make kites. Eh?
Watch I get to but the breeze not blow hard.
Oh.
So I try something.
Yeah. Wow, how long did this take to make?
Basically 3 days.
What?
Basically a week.
Cut out and glue up and so. This is nice, nice, nice.
Can we have a round of applause for that DJ? Hey, 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 hey! All right. That is it. Look at the wall. Can we have everybody's attention here? Right here is the excitement. Catch the walk. All right, and I'm giving it up as reach.
Hello, 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 my people. I am going live on something. Only not to say my ton big celebrity in a place here. What's the art? Catch the art, no normal, alive.
Braeton. I saw the kites and I was so interested and it looked so fascinating because I'm like, I saw one at first and then I realized that there were more than one. So I decided to come across and then I came across, I thought it was just having fun and you know because it's holiday and whatever, but then I realized that there are some prizes on our table over there and whole heap of things are going. So please tell us about this event.
Alright. When people talk about Braeton, they make it look like say Braeton are the worst place in a Portmore. So we want people to know that we here in Braeton, we do communicate, we do unite, and we do have love. For past couple of years, we've been having quite a few incidents in the community, and now our community is back to normal. As a long-standing member of this community, have been here for many years, soon 50.
Wow.
And as a child growing up, when it comes on to Easter, we used to have boys in the field flying kite. Them time it was like kite war. But now, we are bringing back the love.
Nice, I like that.
So, it was the idea of to say, just keep a kite fest. When my friends overseas learning that I'm doing this, they started sending money and said, listen, buy some bag, buy some book, and keep a treat. So this is how the treat come about. So for now, we're hoping that it can be an annual thing starting this year. And it's all about the love.
That's good. So how do people win the prizes though? Because I thought you just fly the kites and you just pick somebody who fly the kite the longest or whatever. How does it work?
Alright, we have 3 trophies. First, second, and third prize trophies. The judges, I don't know much about this, but I guess is you come in with Braeton, the original kite man is here! Big up yourself, Ross! This man come all the way from Spanish Town to support the thing. You know, big up Ross. He's a kite expert.
Wow, okay.
So there are different areas that we will be judging on. We will be judging based on the creativity, the amount of effort that is placed in the kite. If the kite is out there flying how long, the longevity of the kite. You know, most of all, we'll be judging for the creativity and how it can relate back to our community because it's a community event.
Yeah.
Right, and we have some community colors. So if you come out, your kite come out with the community colors, that is a plus for you. Alright, so there are different criteria, creativity, how far your kite go. So we do out here and watch, we are looking and see who are going. Now when I go and see Batman, I say, look at that one. You see that one over there? The bird, we are seeing so much. Alright, so those are some of the basic criteria that we're looking at in order for us to get this in the prize.
I see. Thank you so much, Nikki. And this is really good. I think it's something that every community could replicate for just bring back the love. I like it. Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, bring back the love, Braeton Kite Fest. Catch it at Nana Malalai.
Here we go.
I was contacted in January about this.
Yeah.
By the way, my name is DJ Santa.
Squat.
So I was contacted from way in January saying this is what we want to do. I said, alright, like I'm still here, just put out the effort and come.
Yeah.
You understand? So it's a good initiative.
Yes,
You
it is.
understand? I like it.
Young people
And
them.
personally, I represent UEC, Urban Development Corporation, because
Okay.
it's supposed to be our work.
Hold on, DJ Santa, we never remember for ask. So the young people them I didn't remember to ask. The young people them remember for make kite.
Well, as far as you see, we have some elders that help them out.
Okay,
But
okay.
the kite when we not see no. You remember them book leaf kite them?
Yes, a box it, yeah.
We not see none of them there. Anybody come out with a box of kite and if even lift up about 100
And them win.
I swear. And by the way, you forgot to tell the people what are the colors of Braeton.
Oh yes, it's true.
You understand?
Braeton.
I mean, I remember, you know, I think a beige and yellow, yeah. Blue and yellow, yeah. All that color.
I never know Braeton have colors. We're not going with things.
Yeah, man, we had a color. Because this was the main field, you know.
Okay.
We used to have big goals and all of that. But it's all looking good.
Yes.
So we're in between two phases. This is Braeton phase 2 over this side.
Yeah.
And over here we have Braeton phase 3.
Yeah.
Right, so and we have other communities coming over today. We have persons from Old Braeton.
Yeah.
We have persons from Braeton phase 1.
Yeah.
We have persons from Braeton phase 7 also. Right, so all of these community members, they are out in their numbers and they are supporting the movement because today we're dealing with love. Bringing back the love.
And it's the right channel come over here today because the channel is called One Big Irie Family. That is the whole away family. So
you know what I think we know this walk on and find out the food at the same price, you know, Can we come on the festival and buy a back one?
Yeah.
No one said the price and the
level.
So it's not possible.
Yeah. Enjoy yourself, yeah. I try to find the light wire. You want 200 back? Thanks. Your finger and
Oh, yeah. It's a show still, you know, man. Alright.
make sure they taste good enough.
Yes, we're the best, man.
Let's see what I want.
Okay.
Well, I'm gonna eat this.
Yeah. Right,
Yes, good
right,
one.
stop Jamaica, okay?
Yes, good for true.
Yeah, nobody does it better.
Nobody does better.
Nobody does it better.
Originally, some
Oh,
My
yeah.
original for sure.
Yeah,
Yes, good.
Olama. Yeah. Ready?
Near KFC, right? So Alright, thank you.
You're welcome.
So shrimp man, no?
Yes.
Are you cook them? Yes, good. How much be peanuts? They get about there. Thanks. Buck. Fish have on, you know? Honey buck. Wow.
No, me know you're clean.
Ice cream truck. Come, Matthew. Come, give me a hand. Give me a hand. Man, truck, lick it down. Wait. Wait. Stop. Ice cream truck. Hello. Let me see now. Regular cone 200 drumstick. Matthew, they say now eat it, so I'm gonna just buy one $200 cone, please. All them 2 flavors they have. Give me pistachio. No, give me cookie and cream. You might eat cookie and cream. No, I'm gonna see one ice cream truck. Okay. I burn out fast. I don't want them when they look at them. Them one the way I put there. Let them looking. Oh.
Yeah, say some of everything.
Chef Bugsy. I'm a chef, you know. And that's what you want to do, Bugsy, when you get big? You want to be chef? What you want to be?
You don't know.
I know, but you know, and tell me.
A soldier I want.
Man, tell me. A soldier?
A soldier.
But in love, cater for people, you see it. Him have a kind heart. He cook and share and make everybody happy.
Put that down also. Put one more can go right after. I do it. No, you put that here. But don't fire this.
Ain't no fire in the so.
Put it right
over to your right. More to your right.
Yeah.
Fire blaze. You need one longer part, man. Look up. You want to soak? I didn't put no salt on them. Boy. At first, me not into bull. You got some more pepper? One more pepper too. Evacuation route. Move away from the tsunami hazard zone.